we'll now crack on to the next session. Bridget Dolan is a barrister at 3 Sergeants' Inn who specialises in inquest, amongst other things. She's one of those annoying people, as you'll see from her little CV, who has more than one successful career, or has had more than one successful career. And she's going to give us a case law review of coronial law. Thank you, Bridget.
Morning. You must all be keen, because I don't know many conferences where people arrive back to listen to talks before the coffee break's officially finished. But anyway, what I'm going to talk to you about today is a nutshell's guide to inquest law, for those of you who want to be kept up to speed on what's happened in the past year or so. I can only do a nutshell's guide, so what you will find in your presentation packs for background are the indices from the inquest law reports for 2009 and the first part of the 2010 reports. There's only about 25 inquest cases a year, or cases that are really relevant to core coronial practice. Those you should all find in the inquest law reports. And it's one of the reasons I quite like inquest law, actually, because that means I only need to know 25 cases to know I'm not going to miss anything, and I'm going to know what's happening in their developments in the court. But anyway, what I've done is try to break down the cases into topics, because obviously I can't talk about all of them. And the key topics that seem to have been arising in judgments over the past year and a half or so are disclosure, which is always I think a hot topic for all of us representing people at inquests, causation and verdicts, including how far the verdict can go, issues about bias by coroners, how one recovers costs if one can, and also the scope of the inquest and how Article 2 is impacted on things. Now, the latter two of those are really going to be covered by other people talking today. I don't want to tread on their toes, so I'm going to leave out the last two of them and just focus on the first 5 topics.